Hello, my name is Carolina. Today I will present a lesson based on the text-based intercultural learning approach combined with the flipped classroom model. The target population is 9th and 8th grade students aged between 13 and 15 years old with an A2 English level. The topic of the lesson is daily routines and healthy habits. The objective is for a student to write 2 short paragraphs about their daily routine and the routine of a family member or classmates, using basic connectors such as then and verbs like usually. In addition, students compare routine from different countries in order to develop intercultural awareness. 2. Pre-class or flipped classroom. Before the class, a student access to the content on Google Classroom. First, they watch a YouTube video about daily routines for A2 level. Then, they review an infographic with examples of sentences about daily activities. After that, they complete a game in Educa Play, a quiz in Google Forms, and activity in a Padlet. In Padlet, students write at least 3 activities from their daily routine. For example, I always wake up at 6 o'clock a.m. I usually have lunch at 1 p.m. I always go to sleep to 9 p.m. They also observe cultural difference. For example, in Colombia, many people have lunch at 12 p.m. In the United States, many people have dinner at 6 p.m. Finally, students prepare a short presentation in Canva with keywords about their routine. 3. In class activity, task-based intercultural learning. During the class, students organize their daily routine in their notebooks, dividing it into morning, afternoon, and night. They write short and clear sentences about their daily activities. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m., I go to school at 7 a.m., I have lunch at 12 p.m., then students compare their routines with their classmates and with people from all their countries. They answer questions such as, do people in Colombia have lunch at the same time as in the United States? Or do you wake up at the same time as your classmates? This allows students to understand cultural difference and reflect on healthy habits. After that, students write 2 short paragraphs. In the first paragraph, they describe their daily routine, and in the second paragraph, they describe the routine of a classmate or a family member. They must use connectors such as then and verbs such as usually and always. 4. Post-task speaking and reflection. After that, students work in groups of 3 people. They read their paragraph aloud and answer the question, which routine is healthier and why? This promotes communication and critical thinking. The teacher also corrects basic mistakes. For example, incorrect will be he wake up at 6 a.m. The correct is he wakes up at 6 a.m. And 5. Integration of technology. Technology supports learning throughout the lesson. Students use Google Classroom to access the content, YouTube to watch the video, Educa Play to practice vocabulary, Padlet to share ideas, Canva to create presentations, and Google Forms to answer the quiz. As a pedagogical alternative without technology, the teacher can use photographies, posters, drawings on the board, notebook work, and flashcard with daily routine. This allows the lesson to be adapted to contexts with limited internet access. These lessons allows students to develop writing and speaking skills using topics from their daily life. It also promotes intercultural awareness by comparing routines from different cultures. Thank you very much.